Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes. Today we'll see the best offer you have got right now, the festive and business suit sets at 70% off. You can check out on Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra as well. I'll provide the offer links in the description box. After watching the video, you can go have a look on them. If you want, you can buy them. There are 2-piece or 3-piece suit sets. If you want individually or separately any blazer or waistcoat or blazer pants, they are also available. Okay, let me tell you the variety you have. You have festive suit sets and business suit sets. So you can choose according to your occasion. These are all top-notch quality. Today we'll see the unpacking of 3-piece suit set, which comes with blazer, waistcoat and pants. This is from Raymond's brand. It has got top-notch quality. You can check out. Let's go. Yes. So how is the 3-piece suit set? Did you like it? Let me know in the comment section. And if any of you watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.